Today I'm going to be talking about using virtual reality in consumer research to better understand how respondents behave. We think this is really important because the brain, by evolution, is designed to be immersed in contexts, to be immersed in situations, and then for system one, or if you like the intuitive mind, to automatically produce a feeling or a sensation about what happens next. And capturing that what happens next when people are immersed in a context is the key to getting better consumer insight. In the presentation I'm going to be talking about two case histories that we did recently. One with the Royal Shakespeare Company, where we recorded a full production of Titus Andronicus in the Royal Shakespeare Company Theatre in Stratford-upon-Avon, and then asked respondents to sit through 3 hours of it in virtual reality, and compared this to a group of people who actually went to the theatre and who saw it in the cinema when they broadcast it in the cinema. We were really testing two things here. One, how tolerant are people to VR, and everybody who sat through the VR or was put in the VR group stayed in the group for 3 hours, so they're very tolerant to it with no side effects. And secondly, how immersive was it? And the people who were in VR, it was much more immersive for them than it was for the people in the cinema, showing that it is actually much more like the real experience than even the most immersive form of old media. The other case history I'm going to be talking about is some work we did with O2, where they wanted to look at different points of sale in one of their stores, wanted to try and understand which would work best and what would be the most eye-catching and the most effective for them. So to do this any other way, that it had to sort of create the fixtures, put them in stores, get people in, which of course isn't cost effective. What we were able to do is 360 video the inside of a store and then CGI in 4 new fixtures where the present fixture was, and then working with Populous, we were able to create a virtual reality quant panel that we could put the research out to, so people could actually have the experience of standing in the store and looking around as if they were actually there. And then from the feedback we were able to inform O2 better about what performed well, what didn't perform well. And also, again, it was a test bed of showing actually this is a viable form of doing quantitative research. And we're sort of heading to that stage now where we can give quant samples a rich qualitative level of experience for them to respond to.